How to make delicious sponge coffee. Korean Dalgona coffee, easy to make at home. Coffee sponges and fried eggs are two dishes that have caused online community fever in recent years. Today, let's go to the kitchen with Blue Electronics to make Dalgona sponge coffee, a refreshing and unique drink with a mesmerizing aroma and delicious taste. Estimated time for processing Dalgona Korean coffee. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Processing time, 20 minutes. You prepare ingredients to make a cup of coffee. 1 preparation of materials and tools. Instant black coffee, 3 tablespoons. Sugar, 3 tablespoons. Boiled water, 3 tablespoons. Fresh milk, 200 milliliters. You make foam coffee in a ratio of 1 coffee, 1 sugar, 1 boiling water. If you want to do more, then you proportionally increase the ingredients. Tools: bowl, whisk, if any, spoon, cup. 2 Dalgona Korean processing steps. Step 1. Beat the foam coffee. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened black coffee to a bowl, then add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of boiling water. Use a whisk to mix the mixture light brown, flexible, heavy feeling when stirring, creating a tip when pulled up is complete. This way you can spend a lot of time to whip the mixture but don't get too discouraged. If you have an electric mixer, you can use it faster. Step 2. Make coffee. Pour ice cubes into a glass. Pour in 200 milliliters of fresh milk. If you do not like to drink cold, you do not need additional ice. Scoop the foam coffee just hit on top. You skillfully manipulate the coffee cup to look more beautiful offline. 3. Finished products. Now enjoy a relaxing moment with Korean Dalgona coffee. Sipping with a little cake will be even more delicious. Lu y ki lam mon ka phi Dalgona, sua tui ban ko the dung sua ko duong hoak kong duong toi y. Thoi jian dan ka phi hoi lao nung ban dung bo kwak de komo li ka phi bot bien ung y ne.